every night are we paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadia. Look at my living room. Oh my goodness, my living room is a wreck. But anyways, remember I told that Junior will be working on the chair. So that is what we are doing. That's why my living room is looking like this. So this one doesn't have the leg because it's not finished. That one have a leg. That one's gonna work on also. So let me show you guys what's going on. All right. So this part had the thing come all the way out the arm, the back, all the way out into that. And now we remove that part and we are working with it. Oh, let me move this pillow so I can show you. Hold on, guys. So this right here was the arm piece that was on the sectional. Not the arm piece, the back piece that was right there. So there was that piece was right here, and it used to just attach to it. It wasn't built on it. It was just screw to this part and push up to lock with that. But because we are redoing the chair, Junior just built this part to it instead of using this. Guys, oh my goodness, we are in the process of rebuilding the chair. Look at that. So this is the style that we're working with now, guys. All right, for this arm right here, it's gonna be lower half the way. It's gonna be down here. Like I said, we are changing up the chair. So it's gonna be half the way. This is the next part he's gonna work on. Half the way. Basically a different chair. I can't wait until everything is done. Put it together and show you.